the fancy graphs and the presentation during all the cricket matches and the predictions, wagon wheels, strike rate, all these things are the very familiar one for us, especially all those are interested in the cricket or the football matches. And did you ever think about this one? Who is the mastermind or who is the creator for this one? Which profession is managing these things? Meet the data analytics or the data science. Who is managing these graphic representations or comparisons or the predicting the future of the batsman, these selections. All of these things are analyzing by data analytics and giving predictions to the coaching team or the management for each bowler and batsman. And based on these things, the management or coach is making decisions. And the selectors are selecting the players, considering all these statistics. So, statistics is a very important part of our cricket team or even football teams also. So, what is data analytics and so what is data
Tell you that
science?
my name is Tariq Hussain. I'm in IT from 30 years, and as a data analyst, I work. And regarding about the difference between a data analyst and a data scientist, the word only come in your mind that how to be a data analyst. So for data analyst, the person is going to do with the reports, with the data, he make insights, he make visuals, all that. And as a prediction, what a data analyst can do, a data analyst cannot do predictions. Because of that, he don't know how to do that. But he can use a prediction softwares like that, like in Power BI. He can use AI, all this, and Excel. So he can make the prediction. Even he can use Python, but he cannot design a prediction software or prediction app like that. So in that mode, if you want to design your own softwares, own models, own apps, so you have to be in data scientist. You have to be a data scientist. A data scientist is a person who is going to design the models for the companies like banks, like healthcares, whatever they want. Like in healthcare, they find something new diseases or something, they don't have the softwares like that, because nowadays the companies are not going to design, so find the softwares or buy the software from the software houses. They are going to do what?
So the data analyst is working on basically the present data.
Yeah.
And data science, maybe it's more than the present. It will predict the future and the designing the software or system for the future.
He's going to design, actually Hussain, is like that. The data scientist, in the data scientist field, the thing is that the guy is going to make the models
for the predicting the future
for the companies. The company, what I'm going to say that, like a telecom company, they have churn analysis. Churn analysis is what in telecom, the customers are leaving the company, they are going to some other company. So there should be a system who can predict that.
He will work with the present data and he will create a model for the company.
Means
What the companies require.
He is going to do what? He worked on present, past and present data, and then he is going to make the system. Not he is going to predict. He make a system to predict the data for that. So